In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TradingView widget to your website. Whether you're looking to enhance your website with real-time financial data or just want to offer some interactive charts to your visitors, using a TradingView widget is a fantastic choice. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to TradingView. This platform is a well-known tool for tracking various markets, providing you with up-to-date information on stocks, futures, forex, and more. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, you'll want to look for the More option. Usually located at the top of the page, clicking on More unveils a drop-down menu with several features and options. Next, from the drop-down, select For Business. This section is designed specifically for users who want to integrate TradingView's capabilities into their professional websites. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled All Widgets. Click on it to view a wide range of widgets available for integration. From simple stock tickers to interactive charting tools, there's a variety of widgets you can choose from. Now take your time to browse through the available widgets. Whether you need a comprehensive stock chart or just a minimalistic ticker, make sure to select the one that best fits your website's needs. When you find a widget you'd like to add, click on the Get Widget button. This will allow you to customize the widget to your specific preferences. Customizing your widget is where you can truly make it your own. You'll be presented with various settings, such as choosing the financial instrument you want to display, the time intervals you're interested in, and even the color scheme that best matches your website's design. The beauty here is that as you adjust these settings, you'll see a live preview of your widget, giving you a real-time visualization of how it will look. Once you've perfected the widget and are happy with its appearance, go ahead and click Apply or Done to finalize your settings. At this point, TradingView will generate an HTML embed code for your widget. This code is what you'll use to display the widget on your site. Simply copy this code. Now go to the HTML code of your web page where you want the TradingView widget to appear.